Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Auxilia Kimdaga. Today we're gonna mix just simple soap or detergent for laundry. So it's right here, this soap, and then the softener, and then this, and then this one, and then this one. We're gonna use it, mix it all together because we're gonna use it for laundry. This is really, really good for laundry. Whatever you got clothes, it don't clean or stick, something stick on your clothes, you can use this. It's easy and it's not that expensive. So we're gonna start to mix it together. So right now we're gonna open this one. It's in Mexican store or Walmart. You can find it. If you work at place you use a lot of grease, this mix is gonna be good for you. It's gonna help you to clean it. So we're gonna grind it like this. I need more, but just I got one right now. Just keep somebody because I used to cook for military, so it's not easy to wash the clothes. When we wash it, it still have grease on it. Until my friend showed me what make their clothes easier to take grease out. For everything, anything, you can use it. If you have big grinder, it's better than this one. Oh my gosh. Next time I will buy the big one. So right now we're gonna mix everything together. For the softener, your choice, whatever you like, you can use it. So right here, I'm gonna mix everything. Area, this is nice soap, by the way. Put them in. They have different color. Some of them white. This one is blue color, but it's the same thing. And then, oh my gosh, this right here, Just put it together. The hammer. It's very strong. It's very, very good. Because I got big family, I'm doing a lot of it. But you can get the small ones. Over here, we're gonna put the softener. It's hard to open. Thank you. You see? And then mix them all. When you mix everything, it look like this. It's really very strong. Thank you for watching. Continue, subscribe, and like, and share. See you in next video. Bye.